Today we will show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 76209. This hitch application will fit the 2018 to current year Subaru Crosstrek and Subaru Impreza. For this video, we will be installing the hitch on a 2020 model Crosstrek. Be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions before you start. For this installation, you will also use the following tools. Before beginning the installation, you'll need to lower the exhaust. To do this, first fasten a hanger strap under the vehicle to act as a support. Then, remove the 4 rearmost rubber hangers. You'll find 2 on the left side of the exhaust, 1 on the right side, and 1 in the middle of the car. Note, applying a bit of spray lubricant onto the hangers before removing helps them slide off of the metal pins more easily. Then use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 2 outer rubber plugs from the attachment holes in the bottom of the vehicle frame on each side of the car. You will not need these again. For the next step, feed the coil end of a pole wire through the rearmost attachment hole and out of the forwardmost access and attachment hole in the bottom of the frame. Then attach the 7/16 carriage bolt and spacer to the pull wire and pull the fasteners into position. Do this on both sides. Next, use masking tape to secure a block onto the frame on each of the bolts located in the forwardmost attachment holes. Now you can install the hitch. To do this, raise the hitch into position, which is easier with a second set of hands. Feed the pull wires through the holes in the hitch, making sure to align the holes in the hitch with the holes in the frame rail. Once that's done, remove the pull wires one by one and loosely fasten the hitch to the vehicle's frame using the tooth conical washers and hex nuts. After all the hardware has been secured, use a torque wrench to torque all the nuts to 50 foot-pounds. Then raise the muffler back into position, reattach the rubber hangers, and you're done. This concludes the installation for a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2020 Subaru Crosstrek, part number 76209. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.